Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Notoriety on Roblox. First, launch the Roblox application and search for Notoriety in the Games section. Once you find it, click to join a server. Notoriety is a thrilling heist game where you and your team work together to pull off daring robberies. It's inspired by the popular Payday 2, offering a similar blend of action and strategy. Get ready to plan your moves carefully and execute them with precision. Notoriety features several exciting game modes, each presenting different challenges. You might find yourself robbing a bank, infiltrating a museum, or even breaking into a high-security vault. Each heist has specific objectives, such as collecting a certain amount of cash or securing valuable artifacts. Some missions demand a stealthy approach, while others are full-on firefights. Remember to adapt your strategy to the mission at hand for the best chance of success. Choosing your class is a crucial step in Notoriety. You can select from 4 distinct roles: the Enforcer, Mastermind, Technician, or Ghost. Each class brings unique skills to the team, like the Enforcer's heavy firepower or the Ghost's stealth capabilities. As you progress, you'll earn cash to purchase new weapons, armor, and gadgets. Customizing your loadout to suit your playstyle and the mission's demands is key to becoming a formidable heister. Teamwork is the cornerstone of success in Notoriety. Coordinating with your fellow heisters is absolutely essential for pulling off complex robberies. Communicate your plans, cover your teammates, and utilize each class's unique abilities to their fullest potential. For example, a technician can deploy turrets while a mastermind controls civilians. Adapting your strategy on the fly and working as a cohesive unit will significantly increase your chances of escaping with the loot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.